Yes. Okay, we can create posts, and we can create posts by click on this create post option here, add a photo option here, or create advertisement option here. Okay, what I can see, I can go to the post section. Under the posts, okay, in the meantime, posts are always shown on your Google created website. Okay, now what does it say? Until your website is published to the published after verification, okay, you can see this content on your business.com site that Google offers you for free. Okay, now let me say you have a business and you want to give some update about COVID-19. What are you going to say? Changes to your business. Okay, update your status. What I can say, right? Only online classes, only online classes are offered due to COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. Correct? Due to, okay. So once I say this, I can add a button to tell people like what we can do. We can call us none. This button is basically called, call to action button. Okay. So they
Okay.
can say learn more, buy, book, order online, learn more. Okay, I can click on learn more. So link for the button where people can go to my website https colon www.mywebsite.amadkumar.com. Okay, right? So I can click on publish so that people can take up this particular content. So basically publish. So it will be published and
Okay.
available. So what I tell people that, hey, you know what, due to this COVID-19 update, I only handle sessions online. Okay,
Okay.
so this is one update I can give. What I can do, let me say pandemic is there, so you can take online classes, what I've said. So what I can do, I can go ahead and create an offer for people. Okay, for creating such offers, first I need to make sure that I have an image to promote. Okay, what we
Okay.
generally use is like the canva.com, which will be used to create offers and promotions. Okay, the images.
Okay.
So I think you have tried using this canva.com, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what I can do, you can go to Canva and try to look at different designs that is already there, or you can take up a design from the drop down menu. Okay, Instagram post, animated, social media, right? So we can give it a try. We have a poster, we have a card, we have an infographic. Okay, we can give it a try. Different options, photo collage. Okay, flyer. Okay, let me go with the, if you are not confident enough, you can go ahead and try to get something like, try something like, offer. Okay, a template. So company overview, slideshow, official letter. Okay, offer. Oh, nothing is related to this offer. Okay, let me go ahead and create a, oh, why is this letting me resume? I don't want resume. Okay, so what we can do, we can go ahead and I will create a flyer. Flyer size will be little different. Okay, or I can create a banner, I can create a cover photo or whatever is it is. Okay, this is basically a banner. Let me try to create a cover photo. Okay, so social media, events, marketing, prints, school, personal. Okay, let me go with marketing. Is there any options related to marketing available? Okay, for marketing I can create a flyer, Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Instagram post, Facebook post, anything of my choice. Okay, I'll go with the Facebook post. Okay, so that is going to give me some image content. I will just customize it based on my requirements. Hey, you know what, COVID-19 is going on, sign up for the course and save your time. Okay, I can give offer to people. If the Diwali is coming, I can create an image and I can tell people to sign up, mentioning it is Diwali. And these things are done by people who are not having any admissions. They want to increase the admissions of that. Okay. Now, so here is very blank. I can go to the left side option and try to see. I can check out options like this, whichever I have. Let me go ahead and take up anything of my choice, whichever I feel like kind of offer I want to give. Okay, so I can go. So click on this one, apply both the pages. No, I will click on only this one. Okay, so I get the image is coming. Okay, I can replace this image with my image which I have already uploaded. Okay, I always use my images which I already have now. Okay, I have uploaded my images little earlier. I have lots of images uploaded. I do have some family images also uploaded, but still I'll be using my brand logo image whichever I have. There's a lot. Okay, I'll try to get one image here. It's taking some time to load. Coming. Yes. I think my photos are kept in the earlier category, basic photos.
Yes.
I even use this canva.com to edit my family photos, albums. Okay. I have created wonderful albums using this. I have in my system. So
Okay.
you can even use it for your own requirements. It differs. Okay.
Okay.
Now there is something like this. I have a computer, I have a logo, images, reviews are coming. Okay. Very difficult to find my image here. Okay, here it is. Okay, let me go to this image. Now what will I do? I will, okay, got it.
Yes.
So I'm arranging my image to such an extent. Okay, I can arrange it whenever it is possible by moving it left, right, up and down. Okay, I can even
Yes.
go flip it. So flip it to another direction. Okay, now this guy is turning towards this way. Got it? Now I have the
Yes.
content. Will empower not just teachers but their students as well, creating ripples that progress but the country as well. Okay, this is a little different. What I'm going to say, right? Okay, learn to go digital. Learn to go digital right now. Else, else, your son will teach you to create Facebook account. You getting my point?
Yes.
Learn to go digital right now. If not, your son will grow up and he will teach you to create a Facebook account. Okay, so take technology as advantages. That's what I'm trying to say here. Okay, now here, so I can put my name, Amudal Kumar. Okay, at the bottom I can say I'm a digital marketing trainer. Correct. So very simple. So let us not make it very complicated. Okay, and I can say contact me or speak with me by adding another text message inside. So go to the simple text option here. Okay, I can put title, and the title says contact, and I'll put my phone number. Correct.
Okay.
701063 and 398. So this is my phone number. Now I'll be resizing it so that it is accommodated within this particular window. Got it? So contact is very important because without contact, business people, no people won't connect with me now. Right. So very simple. What I'm going to do instead of the news, I can go to make it as digital. I'm expanding it. Okay. So I can just delete this, whichever is there, and I will add a new one, telling people that add another subheading which talks about okay, online digital marketing course. Online digital marketing course. Okay, so what I can do, I can simply drag, put this at the bottom. So creating images like so easy that you can do it just like that. You are getting a point.
Yes.
Okay, so online digital marketing course. Now the background yellow is not pretty good. I can go and change this yellow to something like kind of with
You can change the word also.
yeah, we can change
Yes.
the
This
word
is.
also. Okay, so this looks pretty good, and I'll make it as bold. This is also good. and I can go here and change the color of the text also. Can you see here?
Yes.
Right. So pretty cool. Now the image is ready. Now
Yes.
click on this and download this image, obviously. Okay, and click on download. So the image is downloaded. My image is ready, right? And what I can do once my image is ready, I can go to my posts option and I upload this image here. I have an option to add photos here. Okay,
Yes.
so I click on this. Okay, so it will open the pop-up window. This pop-up window, I go to the uploads option, and in the download section, I can see this video image is downloaded. Got it? I will have to resize it accordingly. So we have almost every tools for doing it now. So I'm just showing a single image for you to create on content and put it. I can go to crop it to check out is the image is fitting it right. Okay, what if it is not doing it? See, the online digital marketing is disconnected, correct? So I will move accordingly so that the complete thing is visible, and I will click on upload photos. Now after doing this, what I'm going to do, offer title, okay, enroll for online digital marketing. Okay, I will say like 80%, or I can say it's like free. mm, okay, consulting, free
Free
one
demo.
year consulting. Free demo you want to give me? Okay, free demo for digital marketing course. Okay, so just leave it. When are you going to give it? Okay, if you want, you can add a time or you can add a date when you start and when you end it. Okay, so we start on number 2. Today is number 2, so it's not going to work out for me. So we will move it to number 3 approx. Okay, number 3, and which time you want to add, you can put the time also. Okay, add time starting at, let me say, at 02:00 p.m. Okay, so 2 p.m. Okay, end date is the same date, number 3, and I will end it at 3 p.m. approximately. Okay, 03
Okay.
colon 00 p.m. Now I've done, so I have taken a time and also told them if you want to add more details also, I can go out and add offer details. Okay, let us not add this. If you want, you can add it and hit publish. Obviously, your first post is published. You're getting a point?
Yes.
Okay. Now what happens? Whatever you do it on your business listing here, everything will be available to be displayed under your website section. Okay, automatically. The website is live. Okay, I can click on this view site, and this is how it looks like. So this is the basic free site that is offered by Google for my business listing. For every business listing you create, Google gives you an offer for like this. So if I come down, I created this image, I uploaded this image literally earlier, and look at this updates. It suddenly has taken this one, correct? Update is given, and because that update has no image, but look at this one, this image, free demo for digital marketing course, November 3rd number. You're getting a point? So like this,
Yes.
whatever you upload, Google will automatically take this and create and design your website. This is the biggest advantage with respect to Google. Now this is how we create posts. We can create posts based on offers. We can create posts based on any recent update. Let me say Sunday you are not working, you can add an update, we are not working today. Okay, but let me say you are actually anything so related to your business, product or services. It depends on your businesses. Okay.
Okay.